차에서 통화를 하고 있는 한 여자.
But Ben, you have a bigger problem, ghostwriter or not. I don't believe he has it in him to finish. I think whatever really happened back then, I don't think he wants to think about it. Ben?
Yeah, it must be some kind of dead zone.
그때 이 비극은 갑작스러운 광범위한 정전으로 인해 벌어진 것이었는데요.
We've received reports not only of widespread outages impacting multiple regional power grids, but of computer systems that control transportation, communications, and other infrastructure completely hijacked, with safety warnings somehow overridden. Early estimates suggest a significant but unknown number of casualties.
한순간에 미국 전역이 아수라장이 되며 수천 명의 사상자가 발생했는데 바로 제로데이라는 치명적인 사이버 공격으로 인해 벌어진 대규모 테러로 인한 것이었죠.
Nationwide terror.
Find them?
Mrs. Mullins' flight was en route from Washington, but the FAA says only 3 planes went down, and none of them originated from Nashville.
Alex?
We're still trying.
Leaving the nation to wonder what exactly will happen again, when will it happen, and who is responsible.
이 엄청난 혼란에 백악관은 전대 대통령이었던 조지에게 도움을 요청하게 되는데요.
They thought it would be helpful if you visited some of the rescue sites.
I don't do that anymore.
Sir, everyone got that same threat delivered to their phones. They need strong leadership. If the answer is no, I'll call back and respectfully decline. Or you show up for half an hour, you let people know that they're not alone.
하는 수 없이 은퇴를 했음에도 직접 구조 현장의 모습을 드러내게 됩니다.
Mr. President, thanks for coming. I'm Assistant Chief Sweeney. My guys have been working the site since the incident.
We don't want to get in the way. We're just...
Not to worry, sir.
Guys, you need anything?
Could use some more cutting torches. It's just so much heavy steel.
Okay, I'll see what I can do about that.
Wake up! This is an insurance scam!
With that conspiracy shit.
Sir, I think we better wrap this up.
You people need to let us do our jobs. There are still people stuck in
They're
there.
all crisis actors. There's probably nobody even down there.
생각보다 훨씬 심각한 상황에 저도 모르게 나서게 되는데
What's the matter with you? This is exactly what they want us to do. We're Americans. What are we doing? We're supposed to be standing up for each other. We're supposed to be helping each other. You don't trust the government? I get that. It hasn't always come through for everybody, but this isn't about the government or the 1% or whatever the hell you want to call them. It's about somebody out there that hates us, that stands against everything that we stand for, everything that makes us who we are. And right now, these people need to get back to work and get those people out. And you need to let them.
탁월한 리더십으로 혼란에 빠져있던 대중을 사로잡게 되죠. 하지만 모두가 그의 활약을 반기는 것은 아니었는데요.
Seriously? In my fucking district?
Have you seen the coverage? You're taking care of the response in Washington. He's taking care of the people here at home. This is a good look for both of you.
Okay, I don't really need any help with my look.
그녀는 조지의 딸이었음에도 불구하고 매번 그의 명성과 능력에 비교당했기에 그다지 사이가 좋지 않았죠. 어쨌든 그는 현직 대통령과 만나 사태에 대한 이야기를 나누게 되는데
Usually, a zero-day vulnerability exists on a single operating system, your iPhone, say. But this thing exploited unknown vulnerabilities across dozens of systems. It shut those systems off for exactly 1 minute and then turned everything back on again.
So that wasn't us.
No, we had barely gotten our people into it when everything came back online.
There was no ransom demand, nobody claimed responsibility, nothing like that.
Just that insidious threat. We're running shifts at me trying to sort through a digital trail that is basically the Gordian knot.
So what's the plan?
Congress is authorizing a special investigatory commission and endowing it with extraordinary powers commensurate with the scale of this emergency. They will be granting this commission powers of surveillance, powers of search and seizure, if necessary, even the suspension of habeas corpus.
그녀는 이 거대한 위협에 맞서기 위해 헌법조차 뛰어넘는 강력한 권한을 지닌 위원회를 만들고자 했는데요.
We need an entity with all the powers of every law enforcement and intelligence agency put together operating on American soil.
You're just going to grab people off the streets without warrants.
Actually, you are.
그 위원장 역할을 모두가 신뢰할 수 있는 인물인 조지가 맡아주길 바라고 있었습니다.
The only thing more important than a quick result is a result that everyone can trust. They trust you. Think about it.
결국 고민에 잠긴 채 집으로 돌아와 딸과 의견을 나눠보기로 하는데
So Roger tells me you're going to vote against the commission.
And it won't matter, but yeah. Of course I'm gonna vote against the commission. It's fucking fascist.
Look, you know it's only temporary until we can get a handle on what's really going on.
Said every would-be dictator who ever grabbed power.
그녀는 위원회의 탄생이 독재의 시작이 될 것을 우려하며 극구 반대하는 입장이었죠.
There are people, they see a crisis like this, right? They don't want to resolve it. They want to weaponize it. They're going to make you head of the commission. So they're saying, okay, you hold the gun. You pull the trigger.
All right.
그리고 오랜 친구이자 정보요원이었던 나탄과 만나 정보를 듣게 되는데요.
What are you hearing?
Depends. The past 6 months, the GRU has been funneling money into a group of hackers based in New York. Loose collection of the usual bugs. Run ransomware schemes, crack crypto wallets, kick some of the money back to the consulate. And we figured that's a nice way to finance other ops and stir up that garden variety mayhem the Kremlin likes so much to foment. Their leader goes by Felix. A couple of weeks ago, we started hearing someone is putting together a server farm in the Bronx. Serious processing power. I mean, the kind you'd need to mine massive quantities of Bitcoin or deploy a massive cyber attack. Again, that name, Felix, pops up.
결론적으로 제로데이 공격의 뒤에는 러시아가 숨어 있다는 이야기였는데
Sounds like a hard link to the Russians.
Maybe.
You run it down?
We're trying. George, with this one, there may come a time you will call and I won't answer. After all these years, better to be honest with each other, right?
생각보다 훨씬 규모가 큰 사건에 이번 일을 마지막으로 잠적하기로 결정할 정도였죠. 결국 조지도 마음을 정하게 되는데요.
President Mitchell signed the law authorizing the commission.
With Mullen now expected to announce his decision at a hastily arranged press conference called earlier this week.
Hello, everyone. This morning, thousands of our fellow citizens are still laying their loved ones to rest, victims of a vicious and cowardly attack, an assault on not only our lives and property, but our very sense of security, our very sense of who we are. Late last night, the United States Congress voted overwhelmingly with bipartisan support, and President Mitchell signed a law authorizing the creation of the so-called Zero-Day Commission. It is with great humility and a ferocious sense of purpose that I have accepted President Mitchell's request to lead the commission. I do not render judgment on the extent of the powers I have been granted. They are unprecedented, as is this danger. But I do offer you my solemn vow. We will only employ them insofar as they are absolutely necessary.
그때 그녀는 조지의 회고록을 집필하는 것에 도움을 주기로 한 작가였고 동시에 제로데이의 사건으로 인해 사망한 피해자였는데 갑자기 헛것으로 나타나는 그녀를 무시하고 애써 연설을 마치게 됩니다.
I will do everything I can to find out who did this, and I promise you, we will make them pay. Thank you.
그렇게 위원회로 출근할 준비를 마치게 되는데요.
George, where are you? What's the matter?
George, everything I told you last night, it's true. We were right. That's the key to all of it.
Wait here, I'll be right back. I need to get something.
갑작스러운 연락에 나탄과 나눴던 대화를 기록해둔 수첩을 찾아보기로 했죠. 그런데 무슨 일인지 금고의 비밀번호가 떠오르지 않았는데요.
Sir? Sir, is everything okay in there?
간신히 찾아낸 수첩에는 낯선 내용의 기록이 적혀 있었죠. 이 믿을 수 없는 상황에 곧바로 집사를 찾아가 진실을 캐묻게 되는데
Hector, did somebody go in my study?
You had us worried, sir.
Who are you? Who are you?
Who's who?
Are you okay? What's wrong?
Who is this?
George, Hector retired 5 years ago.
당황스러운 마음을 뒤로하고 우선 위원회로 향하는 것을 서두르기로 하는데요.
President Mullen, sir. Signal switchboard. President Mitchell wants to speak with you. We're going to patch her through now.
The Joint Chiefs came to see me. 72 hours. That's a recommended window for retaliation.
Against who?
All signs point to Moscow.
Wait, we don't know that. We can't know that. Madam President, do we want someone to blame or do we want the truth?
Of course I want the truth, but I want it before it's too late to do me any good.
한시를 다투는 상황에서도 정말 두려운 건 언제 다시 테러의 위협을 겪어도 이상할 게 없는 상황이라는 것이었죠.
Most likely the malware is still in place. It's just gone dormant, sleeping.
So someone could just wake it up.
Whenever they choose to.
No one better breathe a fucking word about this. People are terrified, and from what I'm hearing so far, they're right to be. I need results I can share. Or, barring that, leads I can spin until they bear a vague resemblance to actual progress.
We're not going to spin anything. The American people need to know the truth, nothing but the truth.
불행 중 다행으로 용의자로 추정되는 해커 집단에 대한 꼬리를 잡게 되었는데
These images were just collected from CCTV cameras outside of a loft in the Bronx. It's the headquarters of a known hacking collective, one of hundreds in the city, but the only one someone went to the trouble to wipe out execution style early this morning. Facial recognition hasn't identified this man yet. We're still running him through the system. This one. This is Alexei Lebedev, known GRU officer. Works out of the New York consulate.
As you know, sir, this is consistent with the Pentagon's view that Russia's most likely the responsible party.
하지만 조지는 우선 낮에 헛것으로 보였던 애나에 대한 조사를 하기로 했죠.
Melissa's right. Not a word of this leaves this room. Not until we have the full picture. That means not until we find this mystery man.
I also got what I could find on Anna Sindler. You said she met with you that morning? It says she was killed at the railroad crossing.
I want you to do me a favor. Run this down.
한번 신경 쓰이기 시작하자 괜히 그녀에 대한 의심이 피어오르기 시작하게 된 것인데요.
You want me to send a note to the parents?
No, it could be nothing. I just want to make sure she died the way this says she did.
You got it, boss.
그래서 로저는 직접 시체 안치실로 향하게 됩니다.
Sure about this?
그런데 그는 곧바로 이 소식을 조지에게 보고하게 되는데요.
But her body seems to be missing. Sir, is there something going on here that you're not telling me about?
I saw her 24 hours after she supposedly died at the press conference.
그녀에 대한 의구심은 점점 깊어지게 됩니다. 그 시각 신라는 벨러리라는 조지의 옛 보좌관을 만나고 있었는데
I need you to do something for me.
Sure, I can. What is it?
I need you to go back to work for George.
Sheila.
The world has changed in ways he doesn't understand, and he needs a trusted ally by his side.
I don't think I can see my way to doing that.
Well, if I can see my way to letting you go back to work for him, you damn well can see your way to doing it. You owe me this.
사실 그녀는 과거 조지와 불륜을 일으킨 내연녀이기도 했는데요. 오직 남편을 위해서라는 이유로 과거의 원한을 묻어두고 도움을 요청하기로 한 것이었습니다.
I know he's surrounded by people who he can't trust and who I can't trust.
But you trust me.
In no way but the one that matters. I can trust that if you thought he could be hurt by this, or someone has an agenda, you would do something about it. You would protect him.
I would. It's the job.
그리고 이 소식을 조지에게도 전해주게 되는데
I saw Valerie today. I invited her over.
Why?
You need a real chief of staff, George. Listen, if you don't want to quit again, really, you need Valerie's help.
지은 죄가 있던 그로서는 이 소식이 불편할 수밖에 없었죠. 그리고 다음 날 위원회는 추적 중이던 해커 집단의 리더를 체포하는 것에 성공했는데요.
They said if I got them the malware, they were going to publish it, like the Vault 7 leak, to expose how dangerous it is, the stuff that our government is developing, not to use it.
And you trusted these Russian agents, this Felix.
Russian agents? His name's Andy Franklin. I went to Dalton with him. They're not Russian spies. They're hacktivists.
Mitchell speaks in 3 hours. They're running out of time. There are ways of being sure he's telling the truth faster.
다급한 상황에도 인권을 저버려가면서까지 신문을 이어갈 생각은 없었습니다.
History's watching go.
Yes, sir.
그 시각 로저는 출근을 준비하고 있었는데
Holy fuck!
I tried to call you.
Sit.
생각도 못한 손님이 그의 집을 찾아와 있었죠.
Russia had nothing to do with Zero Day.
Well, a lot of evidence says otherwise.
An overly ambitious GRU officer had an occasional business relationship with those hackers in the Bronx. Small-scale mischief, that's all. They and he have been dealt with. You took a man into custody this morning.
I have no idea. I haven't even been to the office yet. And even
You'll
if I had, I
find
wouldn't.
he has no connection to us. Somebody else hired these hackers for Zero Day.
And you expect us to just take your word for it?
To paraphrase your President Reagan, I expect you not just to trust, but to verify.
그렇게 위원회는 곧바로 러시아 측이 전달한 정보를 검증하기 시작했는데요.
You need to see this right now. 6 weeks before Zero Day, the hackers received a large incoming wire transfer, not from Russia, from an account in North Dakota, which according to the Bureau is associated with a known domestic terror organization called the Reapers. Treasury just confirmed it's authentic. The Russians didn't finance Zero Day. This militia did. It's homegrown, sir.
충격적이게도 러시아의 테러라 여겨졌던 제로데이 공격의 배후가 사실은 국내에서 벌어진 일이라는 것이었는데 이 사실에 러시아에 대한 선전포고를 하려던 대통령의 담화까지 취소되고
Call the networks and cancel. We're done here.
이제 남은 것은 그들이 알아낸 정보를 대신 발표할 순간을 기다리는 것이었죠.
George Mullen's own daughter has felt the need to rein in her father's excessive uses of this country's mighty imperialist forces. I promise you the corporate fat cats and their Capitol Hill cronies want to capitalize on your fear.
그런데 질 낮은 사이버 레카의 한마디에 그동안 계속 희미했던 기억이 떠오르기 시작합니다.
What? Some kind of a weapon. It's called Proteus.
그리고 기다렸던 성명 발표가 시작되는데요.
We have uncovered no evidence that the zero-day plot was set in motion by any foreign government. In fact, we have concluded that the computer virus used in the attack was first developed by our own government, by the National Security Agency to be specific. It was stolen with the help of a disgruntled employee of that agency, perfected and deployed by a domestic terror organization that calls themselves the Reapers. The weapon is called Proteus.
그는 기억이 희미한 탓에 나탄에게 들었던 것이 막연히 사이버 공격과 관련된 것이라 추측하고 있었는데, 하지만 그런 예상과 달리 프로테우스는 사이버 공격과 관련된 것이 아니었죠.
But Mullen is definitely up to something.
Why do you say that?
Because there is a government program named Proteus, but it isn't what he thinks it is.
다음 날 위원회는 리퍼라는 기업의 사람을 체포하기 시작했는데요.
Now, the lamestream media says they are the bad guys. They're all applauding Mullen for his big break.
이런 상황에서도 싸구려 레카 유튜버였던 에버는 조지를 깎아내리는 것에 혈안이 되어 선동을 멈추지 않았습니다.
But are the Reapers really the evil masterminds behind Zero Day? Or are they just another scapegoat being sold to shut us up?
그러거나 말거나 위원회는 국가를 위한 노력을 멈추지 않았는데
Last 16 hours, we arrested 41 members of the Reapers. We're confident one of the detainees can tell us who modified the malware, who's controlling it now, and who can unleash it again.
문제는 이러한 위원회의 막강한 권력을 마음에 들어하지 않는 이들도 있었는데요.
I know we didn't always see eye to eye in the past, but I never thought you took me for a fool.
Attacking Russia for something it didn't do would seem foolhardy to me, wouldn't it to you? The Reapers' lead is solid.
I should hope so. You got people thinking their neighbors are terrorists. You and I had a conversation the other day. How this had to work, what was at stake, and why it had to go a certain way.
I know, but I run this investigation.
Okay, fine. Play it your way. And Proteus?
What about it?
If it's a threat, it won't work.
Gentlemen, Jeremy.
Happy to see you back at the helm.
Sorry I have to cut this short, but President Mullen has someplace to be.
I was just on my way out. Best of luck.
그는 아직 벨러리와의 관계가 어색하기만 했죠.
We should.
Yeah, we will. Later, we got a lot of work to do.
So, Roger, would you come in? Just give me a minute.
Thank you, Val.
How about it?
그리고 로저에게 애나에 대한 이야기를 보고받기 시작했는데
I spoke to her parents, who confirmed that she was indeed buried. It was a paperwork mix-up at the morgue. Just an amazing coincidence.
I mean, I have no doubt they believe whoever they buried was their daughter, but how do we really know for sure?
You'd like proof, sir?
I would.
그래서 정말로 무덤을 파헤쳐가면서까지 증거를 확인하려 했는데요.
Do you know how many state regs I am turning a blind eye to?
Well, sir, the highest office in all the land has waved its magic wand.
We good?
Take a cheek swab to verify her DNA.
별 다른 이상을 찾아볼 수는 없었습니다.
Did you see her?
Yes, sir. Just did.
Does it look like her?
From what I could tell, we're testing her DNA.
무슨 일인지 잠적하기로 했던 나탄이 그를 찾아온 것인데
Your phone, please.
Where have you been? He's been trying to reach you.
Is he seeing things? Hearing things? You need to tell him he can't win this fight. He needs to step down now. Go back to that cottage of his, even farther away if possible.
He's not going to just run and hide.
George Mullen needs to vanish, Roger. Just like I.
이해할 수 없는 경고를 남긴 채 사라진 그를 뒤로하고 다시 위원회로 돌아가기로 합니다.
Okay, well, you can't argue with DNA. Thanks.
Get in.
What?
Get in.
수상한 인물들에게 안내받은 곳은 호화스러운 요트였는데요.
Welcome, Mr. Coulson.
Thanks.
Mr. Linden will be right with you.
Charlie 1.
로저를 데려온 인물은 린던이라는 이름의 거물 투자자였죠.
I've been trying to get a hold of you for over a week. I did my best. I can show him the door. I can shove him towards it, but he's got to be the one who steps through.
그는 자신의 성공적인 투자를 위해 로저를 협박해 모스크바가 제로데이 공격의 주도자라 생각하게 만들려 했었는데
I'm not committing treason so you can make a buck.
Roughing up the Russians would have been good for everyone, but this eating our own? I know when the bottom's fallen out, I am gone.
So what, that's it?
Not for you. You're gonna make it up to me. That cocksucker Evan Green, he's saying filthy things about me. When Green talks, crazy people listen.
에버가 린던의 그런 사실을 폭로하며 집 주소를 함께 떠들어대는 바람에 신변의 위협을 느끼고 있던 것이죠.
I don't feel safe anymore. Here, gift for your boss. You said he suspects this girl
I wanted him after Green. I figured I saw to do it.
조지가 애나를 의심한다는 사실을 이용해 위원회의 타깃을 에버로 바꾸려는 것인데요.
About what happens if Green doesn't back off? Those screenshots I sent you, that was an amuse-bouche. An all-you-can-eat buffet of all the laws you've broken in service of your bottom-feeding clients.
그에게 약점을 꽉 붙잡힌 로저로서는 선택권이 없는 상황이었죠. 한편 조지는 끈질기게 입을 열지 않는 해커 집단의 리더를 직접 신문하고 있었는데
I'm not going to waste a lot of time going over all the ways I can get information out of you. I'm going to get right to it. Your friend Isar, ICE picked him up. He'll be deported within 2 days. Your father, Medicare stopped paying for his dialysis. He'll last, 5-6 weeks before he drops dead? And then you have a son, Charlie. I had a son. Died about 12 years ago. And it's funny how memory works. Especially when you get older.
Cut the cameras.
Some things fade in, some things fade out. Things fade in or fade
Thank you.
out.
계속되는 테러의 위협과 위원회의 강압적인 수사 태도에 민중은 점점 조지에게 반발감을 품기 시작했고
Losing a kid never goes away. Never.
거센 여론의 비난에 그도 여유를 잃고 가족을 인질로 협박한다는 최악의 방식까지 서슴지 않기 시작했는데요.
And your son, social services has him. They'll put him in foster care. Isar, your father, your son. That's 3 people. That's nothing compared to the thousands and thousands of innocent lives that were lost because of what you took part in. I think that's a fair exchange.
기어이 새로운 정보를 얻어내는 데 성공하게 됩니다.
Hayes says this guy joined the Reapers in the last year. Doesn't know his real name, of course, but calls himself Leon and built up his own following inside the group. Hayes says Zero Day was Leon's idea and he provided the money.
$1 million was deposited by a shell company in the Caymans and then sent to the Hacking Collective the next morning. The hackers delivered the malware to Hayes, and then he handed it to this guy, Leon.
Leon insisted the malware be delivered on a thumb drive to a farm outside of Pocatello, Idaho. We'll have a tactical team on site within the hour.
You understand the kind of trouble you're in? Some of the shit you wrote online is...
True freedom is the right to say something others don't want to hear.
그는 누구보다 자신을 비난했던 에버와 테러의 연관성을 찾기 시작했는데
He says the same thing as Evan Green. The same thing.
Yeah, probably. All these scumbags love him.
Okay, well, tell me when we have boots on the ground in Idaho.
Yes, sir.
그때 갑작스러운 환청이 그를 괴롭히기 시작합니다. 그리고 그런 조지를 로저가 찾아왔는데요.
I'm told this guy with Green is someone we have in custody.
Yeah, Eric Hayes.
That's not all this is from summer of 2020. Apparently the images have been scrubbed from the internet, but our guys checked it out, confirmed they're 100% real, not doctored.
때마침 에버를 의심하던 그에게 확신을 심어주는 정보였죠.
So she does have a hand in this.
I'm still not exactly sure what to make of it, sir, but it would seem so.
Until we get this locked down, the Anna Sindler thing is between us. And find me every time Hayes has been in the same place as Green over the last, say, 10 years. As soon as you can.
그리고 에릭을 통해 알게 된 농장을 습격한 보고를 받게 되는데
The latest from Idaho.
The farm was cleared out, but there's a barn full of computer servers. Looks like they tried to burn it, but some are still intact.
We've got every available tech on their way to the site. I think you should call President Mitchell and have her announce it.
I have what you asked for, sir. Eric Hayes and Evan Green were in the same city at the same time on 17 separate occasions in the last 7 years. That's significant, sir.
Or not, because Eric Hayes is just a fanboy of Evan Green. He follows.
It probably is, but that's why it's the perfect cover.
Well, let's not get distracted, sir. This farm is a huge win.
Without question. But we're onto something even bigger. And that's why I want you to go get Evan Green. Now.
그들로서는 이 갑작스러운 이야기가 당황스러울 수밖에 없었는데요.
With all due respect, this is a circumstantial case at best.
She's right. We never get a warrant for this.
이미 이성을 잃기 시작한 그에겐 소용없는 이야기였습니다.
Well, like you were saying, Carl, we don't need a warrant. Evan Green is a target of this investigation. Go get him.
Yes, sir.
그렇게 조지는 기어이 에버를 체포하게 되는데.
Good work tonight, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Can I get a secure line, please? I need you to come here immediately. We've got to talk.
Sure, we can talk. But you're coming to me.
벨러리는 상황이 이상하게 돌아가고 있음을 느끼고 제레미를 만나보게 됩니다.
Did you restart Proteus?
Of course not. We shut it down years ago. When your boss told us to.
Then why did he mention it?
I thought that's what you were coming to tell me.
No, I don't know why.
Well, just because we shut it down doesn't mean someone else didn't pick it back up again.
그 이야기를 들은 그녀는 곧바로 프로테우스를 연구한 과학자를 찾아가게 되는데요.
How'd you find me?
It wasn't easy. You were the only scientist from the original team that I was able to track down.
Well, the others are all dead.
So you're suggesting?
Well, we were secretly designing neurological weapons for the United States government. Complete violation of the Geneva Convention and every single other international arms control treaty that there was. We knew the risks.
I need to know what Proteus would do to a person if somehow it was revived and the weapon was completed.
사실 프로테우스는 원거리에서 아무 흔적도 남기지 않고 뇌 손상을 일으키는 끔찍한 병기였는데
So if someone somehow has perfected it and they are using it right now, what would the symptoms be?
이 사실을 알아내자마자 조지에게 모든 것을 보고하게 됩니다.
Proteus. You mentioned it at your press conference, but it was never a cyber weapon. It's neurological. You should have known that. I met with one of the people who developed Proteus before we shut it down. He described everything that it could do.
I've had episodes of symptoms like this. And sometimes I hear sounds that aren't there. I might see faces that may or may not be there.
Anna Sindler, she did die. I spoke to the coroner myself, the one you sent Roger to.
So you're saying Proteus could be being used on me?
I think it's possible.
한편 은행이 사이버 공격의 표적이 되며 미국의 혼란은 한층 더 심해졌는데요.
Our first priority must be to safeguard the rest of our financial system, which is why, just moments ago, Congress passed the emergency measure I've now signed into law, placing an immediate freeze through the weekend on all financial activity. No wire transfers, no withdrawals, no credit card transactions. All markets will be closed until we are certain that we can protect other institutions from a similar attack.
그런 와중에 에버가 잡혔다는 소식에 의원들 사이에서까지 분란이 일어날 정도였는데
Mullen is driving us all off a fucking cliff. You need to take back the wheel.
Let me guess. And hand it to you?
The bank is its own thing, unrelated to Zero Day, and Evan Green's got nothing to do with it. Talked to more people at the FBI than the damn director, and they all say this is another copycat.
I hired the damn director.
드라이어는 같은 당 소속인 알렉스에게 아버지가 스스로 물러나도록 지시하게 됩니다.
Look, this is going south fast. Come Monday, if we don't reopen the banks, we're fucked. And if we do, and everyone wants their money because we haven't solved this...
I still think that he listens to me.
It all comes apart. Your father can't help us anymore, but he can hurt us.
So, how's your day?
Peachy. How I always pictured the apocalypse.
사실 그녀는 로저와 서로 사랑하는 관계였는데요.
Fuck, what time did we go to sleep last night?
God, I don't even know.
What do you think he'd do right now?
Run? Not look back?
Why don't we? Run. We find us some cozy little place.
패닉에 휩싸인 듯한 그의 모습에 무언가 이상함을 알아차리게 됩니다.
You've known my dad a really long time, right? What is going on with him?
He hasn't been himself.
사실 로저는 지난밤 우연히 조지가 쓴 공책을 발견하게 되었는데 그의 정신이 온전치 못함을 알게 되었죠. 그리고 잠시 후 위원회에 출근해 농장을 조사한 결과물을 듣게 되는데요.
Complete inventory of the Reaper's farm. Data recovery failed. Servers were all toast. Canadian Mini, Ubertooth 1, long-range AM radio, OMG.
무언가를 떠올린 그는 곧바로 수집한 증거물을 따로 확인하게 되는데
Here you go. Long-range AM radio from the Pocatello raid. Great, thanks.
그것이 린던의 요트에서 발견한 것과 같은 물건이라는 것을 깨닫고 직접 통신을 시도해 보기로 합니다.
Red Rooster, this is Blue Hawk. Confirm Yankee Bravo 32 Lima. Next status update. November Echo 1200.
그 시각 조지는 키더라는 성공한 CEO이자 자신을 비판하고 있는 인물을 만나게 되는데요.
Kidder, thank you for coming to talk.
Well, thank you for inviting me. I must admit, I assumed you'd have more important things to do than worry about a little bad press.
No, I don't mind bad press. I don't even mind the crazies camped outside my house.
Well, doesn't much matter if you mind or not, if we're still pretending that the Constitution is intact.
Well, what I do mind, though, is the intentional spread of dangerous disinformation. I'm told that there are levers that you can pull.
Now you want my help. You'll recall 3 weeks ago, I offered precisely that. You chose instead to rely on government employees to resolve this mess. And so here we are, on the brink of total collapse.
Miss Kidder, your offer to help with the investigation was gracious, but hard to accept due to the fact that the DOJ is investigating you for 19 violations of the Sherman Antitrust Act.
Every aspiring autocracy begins by insisting that the private sector bend a knee.
And who's the one trying to stop a run on the banks to secure your billions? You tech people, you all want government to be hands off until you don't.
Mr. President, I have no idea how secure my billions are. I have an entire floor of accountants who cannot log on and find out.
설득이 통할 거라는 예상과 달리 그녀의 태도는 강경했죠.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.
결국 키더와 같은 영향력 있는 인물의 선동과 계좌가 동결된 탓에 시민들의 불안은 극에 달하고 대통령의 신임도 바닥을 치기 시작했는데
These men Green named, now in custody under active interrogation, traded dozens of emails mentioning bank attack in just the last few weeks.
Have any of them acknowledged actual responsibility?
They will.
Can you guarantee that?
Worst case, we extend the freeze.
Unless he is just another fucking blowhard who has nothing to do with this. You're aware that American Homestead was hacked last spring.
No, well, there was no mention of anything.
They didn't report it because they paid a ransom in violation of FBI guidance. Dreyer has a friend on the board who tipped him off. Same exact target, similar method. This could easily be just another shakedown. I need to know that you have this under control. I'm worried that you don't.
There's too much at stake not to be certain. Extend the shutdown and give me the time to find out for sure. Not a one-off. The same malware could be on the verge of spreading to 1,000 banks. You got enough troops for that?
23 hours, 17 minutes. I can't hold Congress off any longer. That's all you got.
점점 극한으로 치닫는 상황에 조지도 최악의 방식을 택하기로 하는데요.
What do you... Ow. Okay, you're hurting me. I gave you names. I gave you email addresses. You gotta let me out of here. Okay, I cooperated. I got nothing on the malware or the Reapers or whatever the fuck else it is you think I know.
하지만 끝내 어떤 정보도 알아낼 수 없었고 허무하게 그를 풀어줘야만 했죠.
Evan Green has been released, but he should never have been detained. What was done to him on behalf of the United States government was unlawful, unethical, and inhumane. George Mullins' overreach now threatens to eclipse the very terrorism it was entrusted to stop. And are we any safer for it? I don't think so, because inside this building, my client was nowhere near safe.
그 시각 로저는 술집에서 홀로 시간을 보내고 있었는데
Could you do me a favor? Could you please tell Blendon or whoever the fuck sent you to fuck off? Roger Carlson is closed for business.
You don't get to decide that.
Why is that? Because you're going to tell the whole world what a scumbag I am?
No. Just Alex.
그들은 이번에도 그가 자신들을 위한 심부름을 해줄 것을 협박했죠.
We hear Mullen isn't right in the head. Time's come. It's best for everyone if you handed over the reins of this commission to someone else.
You want me to say Mullen is sick publicly?
I want you to get us proof.
하는 수 없이 그들의 뜻을 따르기로 하는데요.
Hey, Allison. How's it going?
Hey, I'm good.
I just left some paperwork in there that I need to grab.
하지만 도저히 자신의 손으로 조지를 파멸로 몰아넣을 수는 없었고 스스로 알렉스를 찾아가 그동안 필사적으로 숨겨왔던 자신의 치부를 털어놓기로 합니다.
I have to tell you something. There's going to be some things come out about me in the press tomorrow, and I'm telling you because I want you to know that it's true.
Okay.
A couple months ago, when I ran into you at the hearing, after all the stuff came out about your ex and the post, that wasn't a coincidence.
You hacked his phone.
I saw it as a way to get back, to get us back.
I was not supposed to even be at the You hacked my fucking phone too, didn't you? Roger, did you hack my fucking phone?
There's more.
비록 그녀와의 관계는 파탄났지만 한결 후련해진 기분으로 집으로 돌아오게 되는데
Sorry, man, I changed my mind. I can't help you.
그때 그들은 자신의 뜻을 따르지 않는 로저를 순순히 둘 생각이 없었는데요. 결국 비참한 최후를 맞이하게 됩니다. 그리고 조지에게도 그 소식이 전해지게 되죠. 그렇게 가장 신뢰했던 참모의 장례식을 치르고 수첩을 살펴보게 되는데
Red Rooster, this is Blue Hawk.
로저가 남겼던 메시지를 통해 새로운 정보를 알아낼 수 있었는데요.
It's a confession and a leg up. Those offshore deposits that were found, most likely from his client Bob Linden.
The hedge fund guy.
And frequent Evan Green target.
Yeah, Linden supplied the photos Roger passed them on to us. He started transcribing the traffic on a long-range AM radio. Apparently, Lyndon had one on his boat.
And the Reapers at their farm.
Only way to avoid the government's pervasive surveillance of digital comms, go full analog. Well, most of what he heard was in code, but he recognized a phrase that Lyndon had said to him once.
People are always looking for constellations in the stars. Lyndon is Tyran 44.
With Lyndon's resources, he's a ghost.
Batteries already in? What was the frequency Roger was listening on? 1140. There.
연해도 정체 모를 사이버 공격의 배우들이 주고받는 통신을 엿들을 수 있게 됩니다.
Roger listened to dozens of voices on this channel. Lyndon may be part of Zero Day, but not the only part. And my guess, nowhere near the biggest. Whatever they're talking about, we need to break the code.
I'll bring in a cryptologist. Let's find some more long-range radios.
전문가들이 모여 밤새 분석한 끝에 그들의 언어를 해석해낼 수 있었죠.
Look, they scrambled the alphabet before they started moving the letters forward. Transcript from the first day of the Homestead attack. X-ray, Victor, Oscar, Foxtrot equals bank. And after midnight, it's Yankee, Whiskey, Papa, Go.
One digit rotation after every day that passes. Phonetic alphabet gets us location.
Numbers get us dates and time.
And the rest?
Small talk, lots of it. But it's definitely them. We got them.
그리고 이 사실을 대통령에게도 보고했는데
Last night, we were able to gain access to a communication system used by the Zero-Day conspirators.
As you'll see in the report, these conspirators had knowledge of the American Homestead hack before it was made public, an attack they term a copycat version of their own. They also reference a setback at a set of coordinates that matches the location of the Reaper farm we raided.
Have you identified any of the people speaking?
We know Robert Lyndon was involved, but unfortunately, he's disappeared. He was just one part of it, but we're about to break the whole thing open.
I'm not going to deny the significance of these findings, but after all that's happened, significant doesn't cut it. We need decisive.
이미 너무 늦은 탓에 그들에게 주어진 시간은 별로 남아있지 않은 상태였죠.
The expectation on the Hill, which I've all but promised to fulfill, is that I will have your resignation by end of day. That all said, I wouldn't be sitting here if I gave a damn about expectations. If you really are getting close, whoever we're up against is only going to fight back harder. Nail this down quickly.
Madam President.
그래서 변조된 목소리로 직접 통신을 해보기로 하는데요.
Reporting to Blue Hawk. Confirm Tyran 44. Lima, Roger Lima. There may be an issue. My guide left a mess that needs to be cleaned. Documents, stuff we don't want lying around. The greeter's good guy from Wall Street. That has to be Roger. Yes. Yes, Gecko. Well, my problem is your problem. Fix it.
순조롭게 범인을 유인해내는 것에 성공하게 됩니다.
Get a team over to Roger's apartment. Let's get this son of a bitch.
Yes, sir.
Got someone.
That's got to be him.
그렇게 우선 범인의 신원을 확인하기로 하는데.
All right, that's a clear shot. Running through the system.
On it.
Blake Felton, multiple addresses, long history in the tech sector, net respective, Rob Bell Technology. I've never heard of any of these.
Wait, hold on. I know that company. Monica acquired Net Respective a few years ago and then absorbed it into Panoply.
So he works for Kidder.
마침내 그토록 찾았던 배우 중 한 명을 알아내게 됩니다. 그들은 곧바로 키더의 집으로 쳐들어가게 되는데요.
Carlos Uno, Zero Day Commission. We have a search warrant.
Private property, sir. Ask him if Kidder knows.
Has your employee been notified of our presence?
She knows you're here.
Then open the gate.
Is the feed up yet?
Yes, ma'am.
궁지에 몰린 그녀는 선동으로 맞대응하기 시작했는데.
I want to take a look at this.
America, what you are about to see is an act of desperation. But George Mullen isn't just a desperate man, he is a dangerous one. You cannot let it.
Call your senators, call your congresspeople before they come to where you live.
With their guns drawn and their jackbooted thugs ready to storm your property.
What the hell is she doing?
Daring me to go Waco on her while the world watches.
Networks are starting to pick it up.
When you see this, it is not right. There have been rumors of George Mullen's mental health issues that may have played a part in his decision not to seek a second term. I get it. His son died. He was depressed. But from what I have seen recently, I think it is clear that something else was going on.
하는 수 없이 그녀와 직접 통화해 항복을 권유하게 됩니다.
I would advise you to cooperate with the federal agents surrounding your compound.
Give me guaranteed immunity first.
We have Blake Felton in custody. He calls himself Leon.
Well, there is a lot that Leon doesn't know, sir.
I'm sorry I can't do that.
그러자 키더는 생각도 못한 비밀로 오히려 그들을 협박하기 시작했는데요.
Hello, Valerie. I'm sure you're aware that I own dozens of apps, but
You might not realize that one of them is Kindred, a DNA-based genealogy search engine. We recently had a fascinating submission from your daughter, Lily. Seems she's interested in her family tree. Imagine being 12 years old and finding out that George Mullen has been a part of it this entire time. Just nobody mentioned it. But really, what I wonder about is what will the country think when they find out that everybody's favorite president fathered a love child while in office and then lied about it? It'd give me guaranteed immunity. No one will ever know, not even Lily.
그들의 고민이 깊어질수록 현장에 나가 있는 요원들도 초조해졌는데
What's going on?
Call's over, but Mullen and Valerie haven't come out.
What are we doing?
그때 갑작스러운 사태로 인해 협상은 한순간에 물 건너가고 격렬한 싸움이 시작됩니다. 그렇게 키더는 체포되고 조지는 성명 발표를 하게 되는데요.
Earlier today, in our execution of a search warrant at a property owned by tech giant Panoply, Commission agents found evidence, including signature code, directly linking its CEO, Monica Kidder, to the malware attack that in 1 minute took over 3,400 lives, hurt and disrupted thousands of others, and brought our country to its knees. There is still much work to be done, but we know one thing. The American people are safer tonight. I'll let our communications director, Melissa Kornblau, fill you in on the rest. Thank you.
하지만 아직 안심할 수 있는 상황은 아니었죠.
I don't think it stops with her, Kidder. The house, it's like she was waiting for someone to come save her. And what about Proteus? If she's using it on me, where is it? Just make arrangements for me to talk to Kidder myself first thing tomorrow. Okay?
그리고 그날 밤 누구도 예상 못한 상황이 벌어지게 되는데
Hello?
We got a problem. When did you check on her last?
A few hours ago.
And the cameras?
Looks like somebody looped the feed.
이 소식은 금세 퍼져나가며 세상은 다시 한번 혼란에 빠지게 됩니다.
Did we do this?
We didn't do anything.
This only breaks our way if the trail stops at her.
Shut the fuck up, Jerry. Does anybody actually think that this is going to play? That Monica Kidder is the end of all of this?
She had the means and the motive. She did do the things that she's accused of. The rest is becoming truth, and that's all that matters.
My father is not going to go for that. So long as there is a single loose thread, he's going to keep pulling at it.
We have this under control.
Have we ever had any of this under control? 1 minute of system shock. That's what you said. A few months with the right power in the right hands, and the country's back on track by Christmas.
놀랍게도 제로데이 공격의 진정한 배우는 바로 알렉스를 비롯한 미국의 고위 정치인들이었는데요.
I'll be the first to admit that things have not gone to plan. But here we are, and we have to remember what we set out to accomplish.
그들의 진정한 목적은 바로 이념 대립이 확산되며 일어나는 정치적 분열을 끝내기 위함이었고
To cut off the political fringe on both sides. To expose a vulnerability that has been mistaken for freedom. To restore a shaken faith in our ability to govern.
지나친 자유가 분열을 만든다는 생각에 제로데이 공격을 통해 사람들에게 두려움을 심어줘 스스로 자유를 포기하게 만들자는 계획으로 이번 사태를 일으킨 것이었는데
And despite your father's every attempt to fuck it all up, we are finally close to being able to do all of it. Come tomorrow, there will be no more loose threads to pull.
Like Monica Kidder. Have to come clean. Anything else we do at this point will make it worse.
I'm going to remind you, Alex, that we have partners in this.
실상은 알렉스가 그토록 우려했던 독재 정권을 자신의 손으로 이루기 위한 수작에 불과했죠.
I know you're struggling with this. We all are. But we owe it to the American people to finish this.
그 시각 조지는 키더가 어떤 방식으로 사이버 공격을 할 수 있었는지를 알게 되었는데요.
Now that we're in Panoply's system, we can see exactly how Kidder modified the NSA's design and how she spread the malware so widely. Kidder's apps, they're on 80% of the phones in America. So they push the bug out via automatic updates to those apps, and there it jumps to any device that it comes into contact. The coding itself is extraordinarily elegant. It has an AI engine that lets it learn new operating systems.
Could she really have done this on her own?
She has the technical expertise.
No, that's not what I was asking.
There's no reason to doubt this isn't exactly what it looks like. Sociopathic billionaire doesn't like Uncle Sam taking away her toys, so she tears the whole house down.
Give us a call every hour with an update.
Yes, sir.
Everybody seems to be getting on board with this. Last night you said that she was too smart.
To take this kind of a risk, yeah.
It's Alex. Mom,
Your father's here.
I'm coming up to the house. I need to talk to you, to both of you.
What's going on? You okay?
Fine. I'll explain when I see you. Be careful.
그때 그들이 다시 한번 제로데이를 일으키게 된 것인데
That's a minute.
Nothing's coming back on this time.
We're bringing the cars around front. I'm afraid we need to relocate you.
결국 정전으로 인해 경비 시스템이 먹통이 되며 신변의 위협까지 느끼게 됩니다.
There's been a threat, sir. It's to this location specifically.
What kind of threat?
Extremists, ma'am. Motion sensors, cameras are all down. We need to not be here. Let's go.
그렇게 극단주의자들의 인파를 뚫고 조심스럽게 보안 시설로 향하게 되는데요.
Hold the perimeter, guys.
이미 정치적 다툼에 찌든 그들에게 있어 조지는 반드시 죽여 없애야 할 적 그 이상도 이하도 아니었는데 그때 다행히 늦지 않게 CIA가 나타나 그들을 구해주게 됩니다. 그리고 무전을 통해 테러 세력의 배후를 속이게 되는데요.
Prince Emmett Kelly has been retired. Proceeding with the remainder of the cleanup. Over.
Seems like they bought it.
사실 대통령은 처음부터 내부자를 배후 세력으로 의심하고 있었는데
We had strong reason to believe the zero-day plot involved actors from inside the government at the highest level.
그래서 확실히 믿을 수 있는 인물을 위원회의 위원장으로 내세우기 위해 은퇴했던 조지를 불러들이게 된 것이었죠.
To be honest, I was starting to think we made a terrible mistake. At Langley, I tried to bring you in, but it was like you didn't hear me. Then at the presser, you bring up Proteus. After Valerie came to see me, I started to put it together. If someone is using Proteus on you, it isn't us, and it never was.
I know that.
These next few hours, this is the end game.
그리고 그를 안전한 곳으로 안내해주게 되는데요.
You wanted to tell me something, but I can't imagine anything that makes sense to me now.
We were trying to fix things.
We? Who's we? You and Dreyer?
By the time he came to me, there were already a dozen members behind him, and from both sides.
So it was their idea.
She said that she could scare people in just 1 minute. She could remind everybody how vulnerable we are, how fragile we are, and that makes sense. It does. It makes sense that if you can remind people what's really important, then maybe they'll tune out all the noise and the bullshit and the lies, and we can go back to actually hearing each other. So we let it happen because it made that point for us. It made it better than we ever could have made it. But I did not know that anybody was going to die. I didn't.
그녀가 어떤 말로 포장한다 해도 그저 권력을 탐내는 권력자의 헛소리로밖에 들리지 않았는데
So you associated yourself with Robert Linden.
Fucking Lyndon is a parasite. I didn't know Lyndon was involved in this. Think about it. When is the last time the country was able to solve any of its problems? When? Because we haven't passed a single piece of legislation in 18 months. You wouldn't believe all the things that Dreyer said that he was willing to work with me on if he didn't have to worry about all these nuts in his party coming after him. It went too far. When Mitchell gave you the commission, then we were just stuck.
This is not the answer.
We took a big chance to change things for the better.
Yes, a change for the better.
Look around you. The world that you think you understand, it doesn't even exist anymore. I think you do know and you don't want
Things
to
are
see.
always
Just
broken.
you don't have to
Easier
solve
said than
any
done.
actual problem.
I did.
You didn't.
I did
You
what I
should have
knew
done more.
was right. You're just oversimplifying everything.
Maybe we all could have done
You're
more.
damn right we all could do more, but we do our best.
실패를 눈앞에 두고 마지막까지 조지의 탓을 하던 끝에 그녀가 선택한 것은 아버지에게 매달리는 것뿐이었습니다.
I hear you, okay? I hear you. Tell me what to do right now. I promise I will do it if you tell me what to do.
그리고 잠시 후 전력이 복구되고 뒤늦게 CIA가 퍼뜨린 조지에 대한 거짓 정보가 퍼지게 되는데요.
As the lights come back on in many cities, we are hearing reports that Commission head George Mullen was the target of an attack near his home outside New York.
If you are just joining us, that is former President George Mullen, currently missing and feared dead at this hour.
드라이어는 뻔뻔스럽게도 이 소식에 대해 애도를 표하게 되죠.
Devastated, heartbroken, if these reports turn out to be true.
George Mullen was devoted to defending America from the kind of misguided extremism that motivated the zero-day attacks. And that apparently has cost him his life. George and I served on opposite sides of the aisle. We argued often, fought even, but we always agreed on one thing. That this is the greatest country on earth, and it's worth doing anything to defend it. And if you'll excuse me, the president has called me to the White House.
이제 그는 모든 것이 자신들의 의도대로 흘러갈 일만 남았음에 기뻐하고 있었는데
Hello? That was touching. You and I need to meet in person.
뒤늦게 자신이 조지의 손에 놀아났음을 깨닫게 되는데요.
You and I, we're actually on the same side, don't you?
All I know is that you're going to go to prison for a long time.
Today, I'm not so sure.
Treason's still a capital offense?
Treason implies a betrayal. Everything I've done has been out of loyalty.
And the thousands of people that died in these attacks, you violated your oath, and you've done irreparable damage to this country.
No, I gave it a last chance to save itself. With half the country caught up in a fever dream of lies and conspiracy, the other half shouting about pronouns and ranking their grievances.
Destroying democracy is not the way to save it.
Does chemo destroy the patient when it rids them of cancer?
And so you decide what the cancer
You
is?
know what the cancer is. Not to mention the clowns like Evan Green who dole out their poison online and on television just to make a buck.
And the commission can solve all that.
Properly utilized, its powers can. If Mitchell had made the obvious move, the smart move, and given me the reins, we'd already be on the other side of this.
Every dictator that ever seized power always said it's just temporary.
Stand there and pass judgment on me all you want. But what's happening in this country isn't a rough patch. It's an emergency. If we don't do something drastic soon, we're finished. Your daughter understood that.
My daughter has made a lot of mistakes, but the biggest one is believing you and that you care about anything other than yourself and your own power.
Your daughter's a hero. She saw what we could accomplish if we worked together. You should be proud of
Call
her.
your lawyer. Tell him you're being arrested.
Not tonight.
This isn't a negotiation.
궁지에 몰린 그는 딸을 인질로 협박하게 됩니다.
It isn't? Because any other way, you're putting a rope around your daughter's neck. Like you said, George, treason's still a capital offense.
결국 그는 고민이 깊어진 채 어떠한 결정도 내릴 수 없었는데 그는 우연히 발견하게 된 물건을 프로테우스라 의심하게 됩니다.
Lab examined it all night.
And?
Debris of indeterminate origin. Could be an electronic device that was attached to the feeder. Could be junk that accidentally fell into the seed at the factory. All the stress, all the pressure, all at once. Doctors say that could explain it.
Tired old man with too many demons.
그리고 이제 미뤄뒀던 위원장으로 알게 된 모든 사실을 국민들에게 발표하게 될 순간이 다가오게 되었는데
Mr. President.
She here?
She left half an hour ago. Actually, not sure for where. Asked me to give you this, though.
하는 수 없이 딸과의 마지막 대화를 포기하고 발표를 시작하게 됩니다.
My fellow Americans, not long ago, this country was attacked. A new kind of war, both destructive and terrifying. Those responsible flew no flag, made no demands, and made no claim of responsibility. They hid like cowards in the shadows. But this country, as it always has, rose to the challenge. Tonight, I stand before you to share the findings of that commission.
그때 다시 한번 이상 증세가 시작되었는데요. 그것은 다시 없을 끔찍한 범죄를 덮고 독재를 노리던 권력가를 보호하는 자신의 모습에 생겨난 죄책감이자 스트레스로 인한 현상이었는데
Those are the facts. Those are the facts, but not the truth.
결국 그는 모든 고민을 마치고 새로운 결심을 하게 됩니다.
And the truth tonight is that some of this country's most powerful people chose to give up on it. They saw the division, the bitterness, and they convinced themselves that the only way to fix it was to scare you into giving away your freedom. They thought that if they had more power, they could get rid of our problems for us.
그리고 이 결심에는 딸의 부탁도 있었기에 가능한 일이었는데요.
Well, my own daughter hoped for that too. And she left this for me. This, I know is real. The greatest honor of my life was when the people of my district chose me to represent them in the United States Congress. My greatest regret is that I did not live up to the faith they placed in me. The way forward is to confront hard truths, not hide from them, which is why I will not hide. I will turn myself in and face justice.
그렇게 진실을 묻는 대신 세상을 충격에 빠뜨릴 고백을 하게 되는데
The zero-day attack was a conspiracy led by House Speaker Richard Dreyer. He was joined by members of this body from both sides of the aisle. But they are not the only one. There are most certainly more conspirators from within government and outside. The Zero-Day Commission ends tonight, but not its work. It is my hope that President Mitchell will now use every constitutional tool she has to bring this country's enemies to justice.
You self-righteous son of a bitch. I hope you're proud of yourself. You just destroyed the country. Every time we can do the right thing, it's another chance to save it.
모든 일을 끝마친 뒤에서야 마침내 평화를 되찾을 수 있었죠. 지금까지 제로데이였습니다.